Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something really special to unbox for you. It's the Jordan 4 Retro SB Pine Green. This is not just any sneaker drop. It's a hot collaboration between Nike SB and Jordan, made to turn heads whether you're hitting the court or the skate park. So stick around. I'm gonna unbox these, tell you why they're a must-have, and show you where you can grab them on sale right now. Let's get into this box. The packaging itself feels premium. And just look at these. The white leather upper is super clean, and that neutral gray suede mudguard adds a fresh contrast. But what really pops for me is that midsole with the pine green and red air unit. It's got personality. Not to mention the gum outsole underneath, giving it that classic skate shoe vibe. Let's talk about what makes the sneaker not just good-looking, but also practical. This design brings together the best of both worlds, performance and style. The gum outsole isn't just for show. It actually provides better grip, making it perfect for skateboarding. The air unit gives you serious comfort, whether you're landing. If you're a sneakerhead or fashion enthusiast always on the hunt for the perfect pair at the perfect price. www.heskick. RU http://www. Heskick. **** should definitely be on your radar. This top-tier online destination offers a wide range of high-quality sneakers and fashion items, from the most coveted Jordans and Yeezys to designer collaborations and everyday essentials. What truly sets Heskick apart is its commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Every product is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring you get the real deal in terms of look, feel, and performance. Plus, their affordable pricing makes luxury and style more accessible without compromising on quality. Shopping at Heskick is not only easy but also secure and stress-free. They offer safe, reliable payment methods, including credit cards and secure gateways, giving you peace of mind at checkout. Add to that fast worldwide shipping and responsive customer service, and it's clear that Heskick goes the extra mile to create a seamless experience from cart to doorstep. Whether you're adding heat to your sneaker rotation or elevating your streetwear game, Heskick delivers value, variety, and trust. Tricks or just walking around. And the materials? Top-notch. This shoe is built to last. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to See My Review for more unboxings, sneaker reviews, and exclusive product drops. I've got more heat coming your way real soon. Also, let me know in the comments, are you rocking these Jordans at the skate park or just adding them to the collection? I'd love to hear how you style them.